Okay, this is about the first villa with the sunken. Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle in here, and we can type the rectangle around 28 and 13 millimeter in here, and 28 and 13 meter. I mean, sorry. Then we can click and push it up, type around 300 millimeter in here, and now we can triple click and also make group, and then make component and create. Okay, then now we can select a move, type control. We can type 5 meter in here, just like this. Okay, and after that now we can make the rectangle and click from the corner to the corner in here, and click and also offset it inside in here. Okay, maybe we can make the terrace in here. Okay, then we can erase the line, this line, and now we can just scale the line in here, and then now we can push it up until to the position in here, and triple click and also make group. Okay, the next step is now we can determine about the glass placement in here. Okay, we can determine about that and select move tab control. Okay, and you can select a move tab control and just place to the position in here. Okay, then now we can just select the glass area in here, and now we can just place this one, and we can click this line and select a move tab control in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can triple click. Now we can erase this one and erase this one in here. Okay, and then now we can select the cladding in here. We can adjust about the cladding in here, and now we can select the color in here. Okay, now we can just assign about the gray materials over there in here, so we can look about the gray materials, and now we can determine about the landscaping in here. So in the landscape I will show about the swimming pool in here. Now we can make the infinity pool in here. This is the large infinity pool, or maybe we can just push it down in here first, and now we can make the pool in here. Okay, we can make the pool, and now we can just click and select and move this line and place to the position in here. Okay, just like this. Now we can determine about the water in here. We can select the water of the pool in here, and now we can adjust about the border of this swimming pool in here. Okay, just like this, and now we can just select the concrete materials over there. Okay, and now we can triple click and also make group in here. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here, and then just place, and then now we can select the brick cladding in here. Okay, sorry, we can click and just assign about this materials in here, and now we can select the color and just assign about the color materials, or maybe we can just assign with the dark color in here. Okay, okay, now we can make the rectangle in here to make the shading. Okay, we can make the little shading in here, and now we can push it up in here and click and make component and just create. Okay, then now we can select move tab control and just place type / and enter in here. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in here and push it to the front in here. Then now we can triple click and then just make group, and maybe we can make the variation in here to make the big variation, and maybe we can make the curve in here. Okay, we can push it down the curve in here on this position, just like this. Okay, and now we can make the another part of this exterior elements in here, and push it in another side in here, and make the rectangle from this position to this position, and just place the position in here and triple click and just make group. Okay, then now we can select move tab control and just place, and we can just place to the position and place to the position in here. Okay, we can push it up in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the cladding. We can make the cladding in here and assign about the materials of this cladding in here, and after that now we can make the landscaping in here. We can just do freehand. Okay, we can just do freehand, and now we can select the landscaping and assign about the landscape, and okay, we can assign the landscape. Okay, just like this. Okay, Anyway, we can also make the another place for the planetary, place for the plant in here. Maybe we can just select this one for the planetary, and now we can divide with this one for the waterfall. We can assign this one, and okay, now we can just select this one. It's like a move tab control in here and make some vegetation. Okay, now we can just explode this one. Okay, and just explode and scale it down in here. Sorry, now we can just scale it down. Okay, and then now we can make group and just scale in here and select a move. Okay, and okay, now we can select a move tab control, and now we can just place to this appropriate position in here. Okay, and just place this one. Okay, or maybe we can make another scale of the several plants in here. Now we can assign about the outdoor dining area in here, and also the silhouette people in here on this appropriate position in here. So maybe we can add more like roofing. Okay, now we can just click and move it down in here and copy. Okay, make group and just place in place, and we can offset it outside in here and push it up in here. Okay, push it to the front and just make group in here, and now we can just assign. We can now just assign with the another materials in here. I'm sorry. We can just assign with the another materials and make the like lumber ceiling in here. Sorry, with this cladding in here. Okay. Okay, maybe we can assign with this one. Okay, and now we can also put the shadow in here. Okay, and okay, and after put the shadow, we can also edit the profile. Okay, just like this. So this is the appearance in here about this one, and now we can deactivate about the shadow and deactivate about the profile in here, and I will show you. So this is about the first design. So for the next design, I will. Okay, this is about the second design of the villa with the sunken pool with the 2-story of this SketchUp tutorial. Show you about the design. Okay, now we can just scale in here, and we can push it up type 300mm in here. Triple click and also make group. Okay, and then now we can make the rectangle in here, and just push it up type 5 meter in here, and triple click and also make group in here. Select a move, tab control, and now we can just place to the position in here. Okay, and select move, tab control, and just place. Okay, and after that, now we can make the. Okay, we can make this one, make the canopy in here, and also the flooring in here. And now we can also determine about the glazing system in here. Select move. Okay, we can make the large glazing right now. Now we can make the large glazing also in here. Okay, we can make the large glazing. Okay, now and after that, now we can select the glass and just assign about the glazing materials in here. Okay, and erase this one, and double click, erase this one. Okay, and after that, now we can make another materials. Okay, we can make the another materials, and then now we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, now we can push it down in here. Okay, after that, now we can make the pool over there. Maybe we can just explore the corner infinity pool in here, and we can make the line in here and make the line over there. Sorry. Okay, we can make the line over there, and now we can select the water materials in here with these materials over there. Okay, and just offset it outside and cladding. Okay, just like this. Now we can select the color and just place this one. just press the position in here and just click, and we can select the landscaping in here just like this, and then we can determine about the color in here. Triple click. Okay, we can now triple click and make group in here. Okay, we can make the corner for the plant placement, and also the water falling placement here. We can assign about the materials with this one. Okay, and okay, we can just click, and offset it outside in here. Okay, we can just make the water falling system in here, and okay, after that now we can assign about the plant tree. We can duplicate to the position in here, and now we can just duplicate about this this position in here. Okay, we can select a move, type control, and just okay, now we can just put about the outdoor dining area in here, over there. Okay, and now we can adjust for the silhouette people in here. Okay, and after that now we can determine about this. Can push it to the front, and push it to the other side in here. Okay, in this place, okay, let's make group in here, and we can assign about the materials over there, and now we can make the shading. Okay, we can make the overhang shading and make component in here and just create. Then now we can select a move, type control, and just place on the position. Then now we can type 15/n in here. Okay, and okay, now we can assign about the color. We can select the chocolate color maybe. Okay, just like this. Okay, so this is the simple but elegance. And now we can determine what the shadow, and put the shadow in here, and put the profile in here. So this is about the second design of this private luxury villa in here, with the infinity pool, with the corner infinity pool. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is for the first design. Okay, this is for this first luxurious villa, and this is about the second design about the luxurious villa. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much. Design of about this